Sir, are you confident that you will be able to hold on to your position until 2028?
Kakaupo ko pa lang yun, nakaagad din. Kasi ako naman, honestly, I serve at the pleasure of our colleagues. No? Hindi naman ako, kumbaga, nasa kanila yun, no? sa mga colleagues natin. And like, kilala niyo naman ako, whether Senate President or not, I will work for the Filipino people.
Sir, meron bang effort on the part of the majority na madagdagan po yung 13? Kasi considering the fact na medyo manipis pa.
Of course, we're very open. No? Yung majority is very open to welcoming other senators to join the group. Ang aming layunin ay magtrabaho to put the Senate back on track in terms of working on important bills.
Sir, good morning. Sir, may discussion na kayo, initial discussion with the minority. Kahapon, minanifest na nila kung sino yung minority leader
Yes.
nila. Nakausap na po ba kayo? Nag-text man lang ba sa inyo minority
may
leader?
mga nakausap ko yung mga pumunta kahapon, but in the next few days, will endeavor to talk to the different minority members. Like I said in the past, bukas naman yung ating pintuan, bukas yung ating tanggapan para makipag-usap. But I really appreciate yung mga minority members na nandoon yesterday. Give me a chance to talk to them, to also set the direction na mag-uumpisa na ng trabaho. And in fact, yesterday, naging very lively yung debate doon sa anti-hospital detention bill. No? So, ganun yung mga discussion na gusto natin in the next few weeks. And then I had also conversations with Senator Loren Legarda regarding yung ibang mga priority measures niya. Ang maganda rin na-appoint na 3 minority members as chairman. No? Si Senator Bongo as chairman of the Sports and Youth Committee, si Senator Mark Villar, chairman ng very important banking committee, one of the most important committees in the Senate. And then si Senator Camille Villar was appointed also sa government corporations. Importante rin yan. As we all know, kailangan rin na yung mga government corporations accountable rin sa kanilang responsibilities. No?
Sir, the Senate was under attack. Kahapon ng DOJ nag-press con, sabi po ni Secretary Vida, the Senate was not under attack. Kayo po, ano ang
I have to
tingin
read
niyo
the
doon?
final report. No? Ano ba yung context nung kanyang statement na yun? Alam ko very sensitive yung issue na yan, so I would read the final report. I'm not very sure kung yung statement na yan is out of a partial report or out of their discussion, but it's important for me na makita na yung final report. No? I've discussed this with members of the OSAHA. Nag-meeting na kami. Very sensitive topic yan sa kanila, no? Kasi sila directly involved. So I don't want to discuss anything beyond what is coming out of that official report, in fairness to OSAA, no? And in fairness to the people involved rin.
Sir, up to what extent will the Senate cooperate with DOJ, with NBI? Kasi sabi po ng DOJ, papapanagutin yung mga tumulong daw kay Senator De La Rosa to escape the Senate.
Ang pinaka-importante sa akin, dapat independent at impartial investigation. No? That's the most important. That's why sabi ko, kasama dapat sa investigation ang Senado. No? Kasi nga, dito nangyari at involve yung mga personal ng Senado. But having said that, it has to be impartial. No? At kung merong mga personalities na nagkamali o personalities na merong direct involvement dito sa nangyari, then kailangan may accountability. No? So we will exact accountability as well. But having said that, no, I need to read the final report para alam natin yung personalities involved.
Sir,
Cooperating. Yes, we will
Sir-
be cooperating. No?
Sir, isa na lang. Sir, gaano kahalaga na makausap niyo sa Senator Alan Cayetano para sa inyong Senate presidency, knowing na siya yung pinalitan niyo at para sa mas united na
Well, ginawa ko kahapon, I reached out to all of the members, including the minority members on the floor. Kinausap ko si Senator Marcoleta, Senator Amy Marcos, Senator Loren Legarda, Senator Pia. We had a very long discussion. Si Senator Bongo, yesterday, kausap ko rin siya. And that's why nga na elect siya kaagad as chairman of the Youth and Sports Committee, no? Because yun naman yung kanyang advocacy. So, yan naman ang gusto natin, no? Makabalik sa trabaho. And even si Senator Joel yesterday, very clear naman yung kanyang direction is to go back to work. In fact, siya yung pinaka-productive yesterday on the floor, no? Sponsoring bills, sponsoring resolutions, and yan talaga ang trabaho namin, no? We have to go back to our normal programming.
You plan to reach out to Senator?
Yes, I plan to reach out to all. No, to all. After I've talked to Senator Camille Villar yesterday, we talked also. Kaya rin na-appoint siya as chairman of the Government Corporations Committee, which is a very important committee dahil we're also looking at implementing the optimization bill and kasama doon ang GOCCs.
Do you see the need for a caucus, especially dahil malapit na
Yes, dadating rin tayo dan. In fact, we will have an all-senator caucus before the impeachment.
So,
hindi pa nagko-congratulate si Kanan. Okay?
Personally, wala pa. No? Wala pa naman. But yung mga ibang senators like si Senator Lauren, nag-usap kami kahapon at maganda naman usapan namin. Wag na natin lagyan.
Senwin, may mga lilipat pa bang mga ibang senador papunta po sa majority? Sino-sino po kaya?
I cannot preempt rin kung ano yung kanilang magiging decision. But one thing for sure, sa mga nakausap ko, even in the minority, they want to go back to work. No? And si Senator Camille Villar, isa siya sa mga gusto nang to buckle down to work.
But sir, what do you make of the absence ng ilang minority senators kahapon sa session, the special session?
Sorry, galing ako gym eh. Yeah, nauhaw. Hindi ako nakainom. Para mawala yung stress. Oo. What's the question again? Well, I don't want to put any meaning to that. Even before the special session, nanawagan tayo na dumalo yung ating mga kasamahan dahil marami tayong mga importanteng measures na pag-uusapan doon. I'm very happy yesterday na yung CA na-approve yung 85 na DFA personnel and 5 generals. In fact, yung 85 was pahabol yun. No, I have to thank si Senator Ping Lacson kasi siya talaga nag-push yun. Yung original na direction was the 5 generals, but si Senator Ping Lacson pinush na yon malagay sa agenda kasi ang DFA, kung hindi mako-confirm mga ambassadors natin at ibang mga DFA personnel, hindi magkakaroon tayo ng representation sa ibang bansa. Yung iba naman hindi ma-promote, no? So na-stall yung promotions tsaka na-stall yung mga diplomats natin sa iba't ibang embahada, no? So I thank Senator Lacson for making sure that those 85 DFA personnels were confirmed, no?
SP, with your election po kahapon, what do you think should happen with sa pending petition po nila Senator Alan questioning the June 3 session?
Well, naka-file na yun sa Supreme Court, no? And nasa kamay na yan ng Supreme Court on how to deal with it, no? So we'll leave it with them.
But should it be mooted, sir, with your election as SP?
I cannot predict what the Supreme Court will come out with, no? But the Supreme Court is it's a very fair body. Traditionally, it respected the processes of the Senate. So we'll leave it with them.
Sir, are you confident that you will be able to hold on to your position until 2028?
Kakaupo ko pa lang, yun na kaagad din. Kasi ako naman, honestly, I serve at the pleasure of our colleagues, no? Hindi naman ako, kumbaga, nasa kanila yun, no? Sa mga colleagues natin. And like, kilala niyo naman ako, whether Senate President or not, I will work for the Filipino people.
Sir, kasi ang ano sir ng public, kung kakayanin pa ba after ng matapos yung binanggit nyo nga, Senate Flix, then another episode or another season ng Senate Flix na naman in the coming months?
Ako ang sentimento na nakukuha ko sa ating mga kasamahan, gusto na nila rin bumalik sa trabaho eh, no? Stressful din nangyari sa lahat eh, hindi lang naman sa akin or sa ilan na senator, lahat na stress no. So they want to go back to the regular programming, which is legislation, debates, resolutions. Hindi kami agree on many things. Hindi rin kami we will not have the same position on many things. Pero ang position namin is certain na lahat kami gusto namin magtrabaho na. Hindi man kami mag-agree on certain bills and resolutions, but at least napagdebatihan natin at napag-usapan natin. No? At kung maaprubahan, mas maganda. Kung hindi, then that's legislation. Legislation is hindi lahat ng gusto mo nakukuha rin. No? So at least napag-uusapan, napagdedebatihan.
Sir, will the committees be able to hold hearings during
Yes,
the break?
they can.
Kahit na wala pa po yung ibang
Ang quorum
members
is
of
only
the-
one. No? So mayroon silang isang senator, pwede na silang mag-hold ng hearings.
Kahit wala pa pong assignment ng yung mga minority members.
Pwede na sila mag-hold ng hearings. They can get information, they can conduct pwede na sila mag-organization rin, pwede na.
Sir, meron bang effort on the part of majority na madagdagan po yung 13? Kasi considering the fact na medyo manipis pa.
Of course, we're very open. No? The majority is very open to welcoming other senators to join the group. Ang aming layunin ay magtrabaho to put the Senate back on track in terms of working on important bills. Ang priority ko ngayon, LEDAC. In fact, later on, I have a meeting with the team to narrow down the LEDAC bills. No? Kasi we only have 2 years to go. Ang cycle ng isang bill is more or less 1.5 years to 2 years. Alam niyo naman yan. No? So we barely have enough time to finish the bills. So kailangan talaga, kaya yesterday, pag may bills, talagang I talked to the chairman, I talked to the people who will debate para makita natin kung ano yung pwede nating solution and matapos yung bill. No?
Pero sir, sa style ng leadership nyo, meron bang in-expect na major changes?
Gusto ko yung style ni Senator Cheese. No, malinis yung banyo, malinis yung garden, no, mabango yung Senate. In fact, kausap ko na nga siya hiningi ko saan yung supplier niya ng pabango no. So but ang tao kasi lalo na mga bisita natin, hindi naman nila alam yung rules of the Senate Ang first impression nila, malinis ba yung banyo, maganda ba yung garden, maliwanag ba yung Senado. So those are the basics. Nung mayor ako, alam niya, nung mayor ako, ganun rin ginagawa ko kasi image ng Senado yan. No? So that's one thing I learned from SP Cheese, na importante yung image. It might be trivial, no? Parang walang, hindi importante, pero in the eyes of the public, importante yan. No?
Pero sir, yung BICAM ng budget mananatiling talagang open sa public?
Yes, I talked to Senator JV this morning at napag-usapan na namin yung budget process. The BICAM will remain open. The documents will be uploaded like last time. Mga transcripts uploaded rin real time. So lahat yan ipapatuloy ni Senator JV.
Sir, kahapon po nag-post si Congressman Pulong Duterte. Sabi niya, may info siya na naglabas na raw may in-issue na warrant ang ICC for Senator Bongo. If ever lang, sir, na totoo yun, and Senator Bongo will seek the help of the Senate, can he expect the same, yung binigay kay Senator Bato na protective custody?
Wala pa akong nakukuhang information na ganun. So it's very difficult to again, it's very difficult to preempt. No? Let's wait kung totoo nga yung information na yun. No?
So, sa ngayon, sir, di ba kasi parang sinasabi nila, kapag may session, hindi pwedeng mag-aresto sa Senate. May ganun mga asahan si Senator?
Ayoko magsalita in advance kung wala pang information. Mahirap, no? Mahirap. The situations vary, no? So it's very hard to answer and then iba naman yung situation. No?
Sir, yung kay Senator Jinggoy Estrada, di ba nagbabaning Sandigan Bayan ng 90 days suspension? Ang Senate po ba kailangan pa yung i-approve o automatic na yun?
Okay. Yung kung ano yung itong 90 days suspension hindi bago ito, no? Nangyari na ito in the past, no? With other senators. So kung ano yung naging practice in the past and ano ang legal practice in the past, yun ang susundan natin. In this case, I haven't, kasi naging busy sa pre-trial, no? So I haven't really sat down with our legal team on how to go about it. But ang masasabi ko lang, kung ano yung legal practice in the past, yun ang susundan natin. I'll give you a straight answer pag nakausap ko ng legal team.
Kapag separate pa ba yung sa impeachment, yung role niya as a senator judge sa impeachment?
From what I understand, pag suspended ka as a senator, kasama na rin dun yung being a senator judge. No? So the suspension is to the senator and it carries with it all the responsibilities as a senator, including becoming a senator judge.
Pero sir, natanggap niyo na po.
Or considered pa rin siya as a senator?
You have to distinguish determination of the quorum and to convict. No? These are two separate things. Determination of the quorum is iba yun, no? And determination to convict, iba rin yun. No?
Simple sir, majority yung sana, quorum. Simple majority, sir.
Ang quorum, yes, simple majority. Yeah.
Which is 13.
Yeah. Okay, guys, meron pa?
Yes, sir. Sir, naisip mo po ba na sana better time yung pagkaka-assume mo as SP? Kasi ang dami pong issue. May mga senator na tapos daw yung bago ka ma-elect talaga, ang daming issues. Sana, parang naisip mo ba na sana mas better times na parang...
Sana talaga. Lahat naman tayo gusto natin to assume a role during better times, 'di ba? Lahat naman tayo, pero nasa Diyos 'yan eh. No, ito yung time na ibinigay sa akin ng Diyos eh. So I just have to accept his will. No, so I wish it was a better time, a more harmonious, a more less stressful, but that wasn't the time given to me, so I just have to accept that. No?
Heightened security alert pa rin po.
Yes.
Kapag mag-conduct po ng hearings ang committees, paano po ang magiging protocol?
They will have to submit the guest list ahead of time, and then sa OSAA para alam ng OSAA sino yung mga resource persons ng iba't ibang committees. Okay naman eh. I monitor the process. Okay naman. Very smooth naman yung ganun. So we will request the chairman or the COMSEC, the committee secretaries, to submit the guest list ahead of time, no, para maabangan sa ano. But we will also, ang plano namin ni Sergeant at Arms is every end of the week, tomorrow actually, we'll have a security briefing with the PNP and other agencies para malaman namin yung status for the next week. No? So we'll take this week by week.
Sir, more...
Ngayon walang visitors po ng...
Wala muna, except kung merong written request, no? Kagaya sa pre-trial, yung mga, in fairness sa mga senators, they sent us a list of names na gusto nilang pumasok, no? So I appreciate the senators for cooperating with the protocols, no?
For the impeachment lang, how are you preparing logistically, sir?
Yes.
Part of the logistics and
That is the biggest challenge, the logistics portion, kasi maliit ang Senado eh. Ang pinaka problema natin dito, space, no? That is the biggest problem. Ang prosecution, gusto nila may sarili silang huddle room, may sarili silang media room, meron silang sariling staff. Ang defense, ganun rin. Of course, yung senators, may sarili ring mga requirements. So it's very difficult. And then under the Constitution, dapat open pa to the public. So that's another security hazard. So we need to make do with our limited space. Kaya hingi nga ako ng pag-unawa sa inyo na yung movements will be very difficult, the space will be very difficult, but we'll try our best to accommodate everyone. No? Ang importante naman, safe, maayos, at orderly conduct ng impeachment.
So magkano nilalang budget, sir, for the
Sorry?
How much are we allotting?
Wala pa kaming final number, but not so much, no? Kasi dito lang naman yung gaganapin. Ang nakikita ko lang added cost yan will be probably additional security or and food, parang kanya-kanyang dala eh. Alam ko eh, kanya-kanyang dala, no? So not so much kasi ang maganda yung venue dito eh. So hindi naman magiging magastos 'yun.
Sir, sorry.